Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a full page screenshot on OPPO A77s. And to do this, you'll need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, I chose the settings. Click on the power key and volume down key at the same time and hold them for around 1 second. You'll make a screenshot. Now select the scroll right under this pop-up window and it should begin scrolling down the entire page. When you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot, click on done. If not, wait till it reaches the bottom and then click on done. Click on the pop-up to view your screenshot, and as you can see, it's a full page screenshot right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.